Welcome dear students. This is part 2 of chapter number 2, class 7th. Name of the chapter is Classification of Plants. In this segment we are going to study 2 kingdom classification and 5 kingdom classification. So let's begin. Classification of living organism or living world. The first, or we can say according to the oldest classification, which was given by Linnaeus in year 1707 to 1778. This is the date of birth and the date of death of Linnaeus, right? According to Linnaeus, Linnaeus has classified the organisms in 2 kingdoms. One was Plantae and other was Animalia. This was known as 2 kingdom classification. Kingdom Plantae include all the plants. Kingdom Animalia includes all the animals. The next classification was given by Robert Whittaker on the basis of the following characteristics. First was the classification was based on cell structure, second mode of nutrition, and third was mode of reproduction. Fourth is mode of body organization. These are the characteristics on which Robert Whittaker has classified the organism. The classification which was given by Robert Whittaker is known as 5 kingdom classification. This classification includes kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. Students, just we'll take the little bit introduction of all the kingdoms in very short. Okay, like kingdom Monera includes all prokaryotics, includes all prokaryotes, or we can say the primitive form of life. Prokaryotes are also known as the primitive form of life. The examples of Monera or the animals which fall in this kingdom are cyanobacteria, mycoplasm, bacteria. Blue-green algae is known as cyanobacteria, right? Next is kingdom Protista. A very general introduction of kingdom Protista is that this kingdom includes all unicellular organisms, or we can say all the unicellular eukaryotes. Examples of this phylum is, or we can say the organism which fall under this phylum is dinoflagellates, diatoms, protozoa and slime molds. Clear? Next, third kingdom is fungi. Fungi includes molds, yeast, rust fungi, mushrooms, puffballs, bracket fungi, etc. Kingdom Plantae. The name of the chapter itself is Classification of Plants. So here we'll study kingdom Plantae in very detail. Clear? So kingdom Plantae is further divided into 4 subgroups, or we can say subphylums. Actually we can take it as subdivision also. First is algae, second is bryophyta, third is pteridophyta. Spelling starts with P, but it is pteridophyta. And the last is phaerogames, which are known as flowering plants. These are the subdivision of plantae kingdom: algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta and phaerogames. Flowering plants are further divided into two categories. One is angiosperm and another one is gymnosperm. First is angiosperm, another one is gymnosperm. Then angiosperm is further categorized into two, that is monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocotyledons and dicotyledons. This is the division on the basis of seed. Monocotyledons means one cotyledon is present and dicotyledon means two cotyledons are present.